Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about single inheritance in Python. Single inheritance in Python allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from only one superclass. This feature promotes code reusability by enabling the child class to access and utilize functionalities defined in the parent class. By establishing a clear hierarchy, developers can organize their code efficiently. For instance, in a scenario where there is a superclass called vehicle, with attributes such as speed and methods like start and stop, a subclass named car can inherit these properties and behaviors. This inheritance supports the principle of hierarchy, where specific classes can build upon the functionalities provided by more general classes. Overall, single inheritance in Python streamlines code design, fosters reusability, and facilitates the structuring of classes in a hierarchical manner for enhanced clarity and efficiency in software development. Single inheritance in Python is achieved by declaring a child class with the parent class specified in parentheses after the child class name. For instance, to create a child class named child class that inherits from a parent class named parent class, the syntax is as follows: Python class parent class attributes and methods, class child class parent class, child class attributes and methods. This setup enables the child class, to inherit the attributes and methods of the parent class, parent class. By utilizing single inheritance, the child class can extend or modify the behavior inherited from the parent class while maintaining access to all the functionality present in the parent class. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming where a subclass can inherit attributes and methods from a superclass. In this example, we have a superclass animal with a method speak that returns animal speaks. The subclass dog inherits from the animal superclass and has an additional method bark that returns woof. When we create an instance of the dog class, we can access both the speak method, inherited from the superclass, and the bark method specific to the dog class. Calling the speak method on the dog instance will output animal speaks, showing that the dog class inherits the speak method from the animal superclass. Similarly, calling the bark method will output woof, showcasing the unique behavior defined in the dog subclass. By utilizing single inheritance in this manner, we can efficiently reuse code and establish a hierarchical relationship between classes, enhancing the modularity and flexibility of our codebase. Imagine a family tree where each person inherits traits and characteristics from their parents. Single inheritance in Python works in a similar way, where a child class can inherit attributes and methods from a parent class. Just as a child can inherit physical features like eye color from their parents, a child class in Python can inherit methods and properties from a parent class. If a child class wants to add its own unique features or behaviors, it can do so by adding new methods or overriding existing ones inherited from the parent class. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet showcases an illustration of single inheritance in Python. The foundation is set with the person class, which embodies a general family member and is defined with the attributes name and age, along with a greet method for salutations. The subsequent class, child, inherits from the person class, signifying a child within the family structure. The child class encompasses a distinctive method play, tailored for children's activities. Upon instantiating objects from these classes, parent and child, we observe the inheritance in action. Initially, invoking the greet method on the parent object results in the output, "Hello, my name is Alice," showcasing the parent's greeting. Conversely, on calling the greet method on the child object, a modified message is visible, "Hello, my name is Bob," reflecting the unique identity of the child. Additionally, upon utilizing the play method on the child instance with the argument Lego bricks, the output reads, "Bob is playing with Lego bricks," emphasizing a child-specific action. This example elucidates the concept of single inheritance, spotlighting how a child class in Python can inherit attributes and methods from a parent class, while also introducing its distinct functionalities. Single inheritance in Python is widely used across various industries and real-world applications to create a hierarchy of classes with shared attributes and behaviors. One common example can be seen in web development frameworks like Django. In Django, models are often defined by creating classes that inherit from Django's built-in models.model class. This approach enables developers to define database tables with specific fields and methods, inheriting common functionality from the parent class. Another practical application of single inheritance can be found in GUI programming using libraries like tkinter. Developers can create custom widgets by subclassing existing GUI components and extending their features while maintaining the core functionalities inherited from the parent class. Across the globe, industries leverage the concept of single inheritance in Python to streamline code development, improve code reusability, and structure complex systems effectively by establishing relationships between classes. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.